on the voice chat on your Roblox account. So it's very simple. Firstly, open the more on the left, and here we want to open settings. Go first account info, and here make sure to verify your phone number. As you can see, mine is already verified. You can add your phone number here. You will get an code. Enter here the code and your number will be verified. As you can see here, my age is not verified, but if you have the phone number verified, you can go back. I'm gonna turn on any game, for example this one. And here in the left upper corner area you can see get voice chat. Click on that. Here is the little pop-up, talk with others and have more fun. You are in control. Mute yourself or anyone anytime. Make sure to select this option. It says by selecting turn on, I consent to Roblox collection, enables voice services, and for moderation safety, blah blah blah. Simply turn it on here. Now you have to allow using microphone. I'm on my MacBook, so click on allow. And now I turned on the voice chat. Here is the icon that it's turned on. If you click here on unclick here, you can mute or use your voice chat. You can go to your settings. Make sure to find input device, which is your microphone, and select here your using microphone. And here is the party voice volume, so you can adjust it. So simply to turn on your microphone right now, unclick this, unmute, and you can simply speak in your Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.